Yo guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gabriel Entertainment. இன்னைக்கு நான் உங்களுக்கு குட் நைட் மூவிலேருந்து நான் காலி சாங்க்கு டான்ஸ் சொல்லி கொடுக்க போகிறேன். ஐ சூஸ் லிமிட்டட் சாங்ஸ் பிகாஸ் இந்த சாங் எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருந்தது. இளையராஜா சாங் மாதிரி இருக்குது, ஆனால் எந்த இளையராஜா சாங்னு என்னால் கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியல. இஃப் யூ நோ தட் சாங் ப்ளீஸ் கமெண்ட் இன் த கமெண்ட் செக்ஷன். ஸோ நான்காலி சாங்க்கு கொரியோகிராஃபி உங்களுக்கு நான் சொல்லிக் கொடுக்கும்போது என்னுடைய ஓன்ஸ் கொரியோகிராஃபி உங்களுக்கு நான் சொல்லித்தரேன். ஃப்ரீ டான்ஸ் கிளாஸ் வீட்டிலேருந்தே நீங்கள் கற்றுக்கலாம். ஓகே, நோ நீட் டு கோ எனிவேர் ஸ்பெண்ட் மணி அண்ட் லேர்ன். ஐ வில் பி டீச்சிங் யூ லாட்ஸ் ஆஃப் choreographies. Come to Gabriel Entertainment. Now let us start learning the dance. Ready? Yeah. Now let us start learning the dance. First step, casually walk பண்ணிட்டு வாங்க. This is left side, this is right side, this is left leg, this is right leg for you. புரிஞ்சிச்சா? மிரர் மாதிரி நான் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லிக் கொடுக்க போகிறேன். Just follow and enjoy the dance tutorial. Now let us turn towards the left side. Keep your hands like this, starting from hip 1, 2, 3. Okay, right, left, right. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Right, left, right. 1, 2, 3, go. Right, left, right. Open your left leg. 1 and 2. So when you do this, you just wave like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2. Did you see? Watch again. Step, drag, and up. Same time. Step, drag up. Then you go heel, toe, heel. Okay? Once again. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Stop பண்ணிடாதீங்க. Okay? Even after the music, keep going. Lyrically popna on the wave. Without the music also you should have. Okay, keep trying. 1, 2, 3, go. 1. Let us do again. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, next step. 1, 2. Open your legs and wave your hands up. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. உங்களுக்கு இது வரலனா just do 3 and 4. Just try again. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Now you use your legs. Go 7 and 8. Okay, two steps right. Now next step. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2. Watch again. 1, 2, 3, go. Open, close. When you close, you go back, close. And when you take this hand up, take your left leg up. For rotation, watch again. My right hand goes up and comes down. Down, put it down, let your hands be here. Step, இந்த ஸ்டெப் பண்ணும்போது இந்த ஹேண்ட் பாக்கெட்டில் கை விட்டு, ஓகே, கை போட்டு ஜாயின் கா லீட். ஓகே, இந்த 3 steps we'll do together. 1, 2, 3, from the beginning. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 8ல ஸ்டெப் முடியணும், இல்லைன்னா உங்கள் டான்ஸ் ராங். ஓகே, நவ் லெட் அஸ் டூ த நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப். 1, 2. இதோட உங்களுக்கு தெரியலன்னா ரிப்பீட் and come back. Okay, go back and come back. Now let us do the next step. 1, 2, 3, go. Left leg open and close. 1, 2, 3, go. Right hand up and close. Left leg back and close. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2. Now a circle. Okay, when you do the circle, you open your legs. 3 and 4. Don't come up. 5 and 6. Watch. 5 and 6. Watch again. Inside, inside, inside. 6. Then you do 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, go. Right, left, right. Then you come from down, give a shake, go back. Okay, next step. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is Mohan. 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let us do All the steps together. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let us do the next step. Next step is very easy. Close your legs like this. 1, 2, 3, go. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. 4 times. Close your legs. Don't stand and do like this. You have to bend and do. 1, 2, 3, go. Right, down, left, down, right, down, left, down. Heel. 1 toe, 1 heel. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Did you see? Okay, next step. 1, 2, 3, go. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now let us do all the steps together. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, now let us do the movie steps, which you are all waiting from very long time. 1 to 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, go. 1. And then when you do 1, no, don't keep your legs like this. Keep your legs like this. 1 and 2. So if you do this, you can do like this. If you are already keeping like this, you can't. It's very difficult to do. 1, 2, 3, go. Keep your legs like this and touch your body. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2. Then you go wave left leg, wave right leg. Faster. Wave and wave. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2. Turn your leg up and down. NAAN GAALI. Wave and wave. Let us do little faster. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. இப்போ என்னோடைய own choreography. 1, 2, 3, go. Same step. 1 and 2. Stop here and walk 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Try that step. 1, 2, 3. Only legs, okay? This is very easy. You do this and you do this. Let us focus on the legs. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. When I do 3 and 4, watch what I'm doing. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. My legs are closed. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. After this step, very easy. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 down, 2 down, 3 and 4. Hip hop style la pannona oru kai keela oru kai mela. Right hand up, left hand down. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now I'm going to do like this. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now you do a guitar up and down, and we'll come to the final movie step, leg steps, which you are all waiting for. Till here we will do once and then we'll go back to that step. Okay? Now step 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? Hope you got it till here. Final step, which you are all waiting from very long time. We'll do that step. Guitar up, guitar down. Don't do any movement. Guitar up, guitar down. Keep your right leg like this, facing this side. Out and in. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2. Left, right, left, join. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Jump back, open. 8, that is. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2. Left, right, left, join. Towards your right side, up and down and change. Facing right, then you are going to jump towards your right. Go jump, open, drag your legs. Let us do this step little faster with the counts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. If you don't get, rewind it back and play it again. So 8 is here, over. Now let us do the next step. Jog out, jog out, jog out. 3 jog out. 1, 2, 3, go. Right, left, right, right, left, right. Sorry. Right, left, right, right, left, left, right, left, right. Back, forward. Little faster. Right, left, right, right, left, left, right, left, right, back, forward. Now you're going to do a slide. Try the slide again. 1, 2, 3, go. Slide. Last time. 1, 2, 3, go. Slide. Now you're going to go right, left, forward. Right leg forward. 1, 2, 3, go. Right, left, forward. Then you're going to do 2 taps with your left leg. Tap, tap. Then you can't tap immediately. What you do? Jump tap you do. Jump, tap, out. One more time. 1, 2, 3, go. Slide. Right, left, right. With your left leg. Tap, tap. With your right leg. Tap, tap, drop. Then you do a wave facing. When you land, it has to face towards this side. Wave, and then you're going to do right, left, right again. Right, left, right. And then this step is very easy. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, yeah? If you don't get it, rewind. This is little fast and very complicated. So let us do the next step. 1, 2, 3, go. Slide, keeping your right leg up, and then slide. Slide, left, right, left. Repeat. Before that, lift your right leg, slide, right, left, right. Again, slide, right, left, right, boom, drop. இது music video I'm just showing you because it comes music video on the step இல்லனா I have to add that step and I can't just leave you without this step. So 3 times you do that. 1, 2, 3, go. Slide, left, right, left, slide, left, right, left, slide, left, right, left, boom, bang, then walk. Then you add your own choreography. Hope you liked my dance tutorial. Now let us watch the dance with the music, but I'll be posting it in another channel called Actor Gabriel Prabhu, because all the copyrighted songs I'll be using there. In this channel, I don't want to use any copyrighted music. That is the only reason I'm not using any copyrighted music in my channel, Gabriel Entertainment. If you want to see all the dance videos, go to my Actor Gabriel Prabhu. You can see my old videos which has lots of views, million views and all. There's some videos. Go watch that. Okay, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will meet you in my next dance tutorial. Be happy to learn from Gabriel Entertainment. Yo.